Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I am going to make a Christmas greeting card. Fold the card as I am doing. Here I am marking 9 cm distance in folded edge and 4 cm distance in this side to make triangle shape. Now mark 1 cm distances. Okay, draw a line like this, leaving 2 cm distance from the bottom. Now draw parallel lines as I am doing here. So we need to remove this triangle. And now we can cut through the parallel lines we drew. Okay, now we need to fold them as I'm doing here. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. You can use any color here. I'm using a gold color glitter sheet. And now I'm going to paste the card to the glitter sheet. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.